Ya empezó.
Hi.
Leave a comment.
Subscribe. I'm here.
Okay, let's begin with the cream.
I'm gonna put it
dry
all over my face.
A little bit here, a little bit there.
I'm gonna create a mess.
I am cremating myself.
Cremating?
Oh my goodness.
I'm good. I'm already dead. Okay.
Okay, last touches. Applying it on my forehead. Look at my nails, they look beautiful. My sister did it for me. Thank you, sis.
And now I'm gonna be using for my beautiful lips, Garbax.
Carmex.
Oh,
Chapstick.
sorry. And this is a foundation for my facial.
It's 310, so it's the shade that I'm gonna apply.
Oh my god,
It
that's too much.
matches with my skin very well. Let's see, applying it on my forehead, my cheeks.
Okay. It's a little bit too much.
Just a little bit more here and there. Okay, my
you
chin.
miss a spot. There you go. Oops.
One
Just a
moment,
second.
please. Okay, here's the sponge.
What do you call that motion, Bobby? It just you can do whatever. Just say the motion.
The motion.
What do you call the motion?
Ah, a sponge. A sponge.
It's fun.
Oh.
SpongeBob.
Doing this. What do you?
Oh, you're doing that. With doing that, you look like you're doing some masonry. Masonry.
Masonry.
Masonry? ¿Qué es eso?
That's a construction term.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Empañetar.
And punch.
Okay,
Or using,
dabbing,
it's like using Bondo
dabbing
on
my eyes.
a car.
Soon my forehead. And I'm trying to do my best here.
Thank you. I look like my father.
Or like my
But I don't need that.
Okay, these are the last touches.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I got to my hair. And now I'm gonna be using this. You see? This is concealer. I use that in construction too. I conceal my tools.
Okay, so this is to give a little bit of shade under the eye.
I'm gonna be doing some triangles on my face. This is for the kids, so they can learn. This is a triangle. This is number 1.
Or
Oh my
apply
goodness.
light.
I look like an avatar now. This is getting
black spots.
This is getting so
black,
weird.
Black, I'm sorry.
Another triangle. Kids, this is a triangle on my face, and this is a mess. I'm gonna erase it now. I'm gonna erase the. Okay, now I have to do something else. Oh, okay. It's like a square now. No. Okay, kids. This is now art lesson.
An art lesson.
Mm-hmm.
The concealer under my eyes.
Erasing everything that I did wrong, and now I'm gonna be erasing it. You see? And kids, this is
I don't
a
even.
mascara.
Mascara?
Oh, mascara?
No.
Oh no! Oops! Oh, my lip.
That's a
that was supposed to be
bronzer.
a lipstick.
A bronzer.
No, that's a lipstick.
Okay.
But kids, this is you don't use lipstick on your face. It's only for drawing purposes. See? So now we are in art class again, doing some drawings on my face.
Okay, a little circle in the tip of the nose.
This is like an avatar. Using the squeegee now.
So you trace the lines and then you erase them?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Because you don't do it right.
So she's fixing what she did wrong. Is that what you're trying to say?
Yes, that's like a disparate. I know something was gonna be wrong.
She wants to put her cheek on what?
I don't know.
Where?
Her she's gonna put it on her ear. I don't know. Scrubbing.
And what's going next? What do you think is going next?
I think she's gonna disappear. Her complete face is gonna erase.
Oh my goodness. Is that a powder?
Oh no, remedy. I think it says remedy. Remedy powder.
For what?
Okay, for being a ghost. She's gonna turn into a ghost. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, I used to see when I was a kid. I used to see the ghost.
Casper?
I mean, I didn't want to say no names, but
The movie?
yeah, you see.
Oh
See,
my
she's trying to look for herself in the mirror.
She's saying that she's almost disappearing.
Yep. You see?
Oh my.
And now,
But why she left it like that?
I don't know.
Is she really want to be a ghost?
I think.
Look like a ghost?
No, I think she has
Okay,
something
so-
going on here. She said it was okay for her only. Oh
Is
my
that
goodness.
purple? Purple eyeshadow?
Purple, purple, purple.
Okay. She made a mistake?
There's a big spot on her forehead. That is too clear.
Do you think she's gonna fix it later on?
She better.
Oh my. Okay. She's taking care of the shadow now. Okay, she's applying a second color, which is like a maroon or a brownish color. I don't know. It's looking good.
What?
You don't like it?
I never seen. I mean, when I was a kid, I used to see, like a dark eye on my face when I was hit by another kid.
She is applying the color around the other color.
My goodness, when she's trying to remove her eye.
Okay.
Okay. She's trying to put her eye back.
needs
That she's
to
giving some
figure
massaging
out
her.
Okay, she's fixing it.
She's
it.
fixing her eye. Yeah, like
Her-
pop out. Yes. You see? You see?
Ouch!
You see? Pop out.
She's not used to those nails though. That's why she almost got her eye out.
Okay, she's applying some glue for her eye.
What?
Yes, because you didn't saw it came out. Her eye, like I said, her eye pop out.
Would that be the
but
same
she
color
has to
she
put
applied?
some glue. You see?
Are you guys low-key concerned? Look.
I think I have seen this before, like in Sesame Street.
Who?
Cookie Monster or something like that. I'm not sure.
Uh-oh. She made another mistake there. Now she's trying to fix it.
It's gonna be hard.
Oh, yeah. Okay. What do you think now?
Now she's spending a lot of money in cosmetics because she applies them and then she take it out.
Are you gonna give her money to
No.
like
No, she has to give you money. I don't have to. Okay, now I have this
elf?
round thing on my hand. I don't see what's the difference. Oh my goodness.
There's a slight difference.
Pretty red cheeks or something?
My goodness. Now it's blurry. Or these are my. I think that's my glasses.
Uh-oh.
Oh my goodness!
Oh!
You see? What she's doing? Oh, her eyes popping out again.
Oh my.
This is getting too crazy. I cannot watch this anymore. Now, you see, she has to put glue on her eye. I drew that. I use that on construction a lot. We have to glue something.
Okay, so those are
Oops.
fake
You see?
lashes.
No, they say they're real.
Okay, sister to the rescue. She's helping her apply them.
She's not. She doesn't know what she's getting into.
Okay, one eye down. Let's get to the next
Oh
one.
my goodness.
Oh,
There's a fly. There's a fly.
okay. Fixing it. Let's see if it looks good. And now the lipstick.
No, I think that's for her hair. She's gonna do something on her hair. Oh no.
No.
Oh, but she has used that before. No.
What is that?
It's gonna be a fly. It's gonna
How
fly.
many colors are there? What?
Okay.
Okay.
That's not gonna come out right. Sorry.
So how many
My
lipsticks
goodness.
are there? Like
There's
4?
only 3 lipsticks. This is just the mixing.
I'm mixing.
Yeah.
So there's no
That's
color on that
crazy.
No.
one? Okay.
That's a lot of money going to the way to waste.
It looks nice though. It turned out well.
Is that the final product? Hello.
So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!